Today I'm going to be making something really yummy, and these are my chocolate banana cupcakes. And here are the ingredients that we need. 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to grab my 3 very ripe bananas, and using ripe bananas is really important because they really give a lot more flavor to this cupcake. Once I have my bananas peeled, I'm just going to use a little potato masher, and I'm just going to start breaking all these down. You can also use a fork to do this. That works equally as well. But you can see how quickly this happens here. And now we'll get on to our next step. We're going to start off with our eggs. So there's 1 and 2. We can add our vegetable oil right into there. Perfect. I'll grab my mixer. And I just want to break those yolks up a little bit. Then I'll add in my sugar. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to get my milk in there as well. And I'll add in my salt. Okay, and then we'll sift in our dry ingredients. So we'll get in our cocoa powder. And I am sifting all of these ingredients. Our all-purpose flour, our baking soda, and our baking powder, and then we'll just sift those in. Grab the back of a spoon and just go over gently on your sieve. Perfect. We'll grab our mixer once again. Speed number 1. I just want to go very slowly here. And keep mixing this until well combined. Once that's well combined, I'm going to get my vanilla in as well. And then we're going to get all of our mashed banana. I'll just get that right in there. Okay, that's good. And we'll mix this up. So if you like banana and you like chocolate, you're going to really enjoy this. And that's perfect. And now it's time to fill our molds. So we're ready to fill our molds. I just have little paper liners in my cupcake mold, and we're ready to go. I'm going to get these about 3/4 of the way up. So I'll whip through this, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's pretty good. So I have 12 here and 2 here for a total of 14. I'm going to pop these into my 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes. Ooh. Extremely hot. These just came out of the oven. Let me grab my next ones. And there we have them. Oh, they smell so good. I'll just get that together. So 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. So at this point I'm going to let these completely cool, and then I'll be back in a little while. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, I decided just to drop my camera down and zoom in a little bit so that you can see these. They smell really good. I can't wait to break into one. So hopefully the camera can pick up how nice these are. So here we are again. All of my cupcakes have completely cooled right now, and we have a total of 14 that I got out of my recipe. So the last thing that we want to do, let's get into one and see what they look like inside. Make sure the camera is focused here. I'll just move these out of the way. And look at this. Oh, That smells so good. Chocolate banana. I'll just break into that. Oh, look at that. Smells really, really good. And of course I'm gonna have to try a piece. Oh, that's good. So I hope you enjoyed my recipe. It was a really fun one to do. And if you have ripe bananas hanging around the house, it's the perfect recipe to try. So that's it for this portion of the recipe. What I'm gonna do as an optional little step, I'm gonna frost one of these with my chocolate cream cheese frosting. If you wanna try that recipe out, I'll put a link to it in a description box below this video. So I just wanted to show you my chocolate cream cheese icing just before we start frosting a cupcake. So that's it there. You can see how nice this is. Really nice frosting. So I've loaded up my piping bag. This is a Wilton disposable piping bag and I'm ready to go. And I'll just show you how nice this comes out. It's really, really nice. It's a nice stable frosting. Look at that. Awesome. And there we have it. Let me just zoom in. So now we can see everything really close up, which is kind of nice. I will put a link to this underneath the video. So look underneath the video in the description box and you'll see a link directly to this frosting. And then we have the video that we actually did today, which is our chocolate banana cupcake. So that's the end of my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Oh, so yummy. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.